Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, check Python version, and ensure the package is installed. Once done, decide an import style. Import module imports the namespace. From module import name pulls specific symbols, and import module as alias shortens references. You should run a quick pip show or pip install to verify availability. Make sure to place your script where it can find packages, and avoid naming files the same as modules to prevent shadowing when you run imports. Now you dig into mechanics. Python searches sys. Path in order, so adjust Python path or sys. Path when necessary. Once done, organize code into packages using init. Py or accept implicit namespace packages for larger projects. Use relative imports inside packages to keep references stable, for example from submodule import func or from pkg import class. Make sure to prefer absolute imports for clarity, but use relative imports to refactor without breaking internal structure. Finish by focusing on runtime behavior and fixes. If you hit import error, check the package name, file shadowing, and that the correct virtual environment is active. Once done, prevent circular imports by moving imports into functions or a separate module, or restructure code so dependencies are one-directional. Make sure to use importlib. Reload module during iterative development when changing modules interactively. If problems persist, print sys. Path to inspect lookup order, and correct the path or package layout accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.